You know, recently I've been working on my anime waifu, and last time where I left off, it sounded like this. Hello, how are you doing today?
Ugh, I'm fine, I guess.
It works?
Just dealing with the usual boring stuff. What about you?
Why is it a dude? It sounds so bad though. Oh, it sounds like ass.
Well, maybe if you actually put in some effort, it wouldn't sound so bad. But I guess that's too much to ask for.
Honestly, in the grand scheme of things, this anime waifu needs to sound like an anime waifu. I mean, I just can't deal with a robot voice. That's just not how it is. I need it so that it literally talks to me like an anime girl, which is why I'm here. So after a bit of digging around on the web, the first resource I found was actually a paid option. It's called 11 Labs. Now, if you don't know what they do, it's basically a software company that, well, makes voices that are AI generated, and you can clone and, input your own voice, and then it outputs as text-to-speech options. So I gave it a try, and surprisingly, it was actually really good. 11 Labs, look, create the most realistic speech with our AI audio platform. I don't know, like what's a like a good voice? Like Jessica sounds like a good voice, right? And then we type in, hi, how are you doing today? I'm excited to be here, right? And then boom, you press this.
Hi, how are you doing today? I'm excited to be here.
Oh, I spelled doing wrong. Damn, that's embarrassing.
Hi, how are you doing today? I'm excited to be here.
Like, this, unironically, is so good. Wait. And you know what? Like, I think they have an API so that we can call this whenever we want. Wait, this is crazy. And I was like, wow, I'm already done, eh? But then, I checked the pricing page. Pricing $11 a month, 100 minutes. 100 minutes. You're telling me that I have to pay $11 a month for 100 minutes of talking with an AI wife? I am dead ass sure that prisoners get more call time than this. Paying money to talk to girls? Where have I seen that concept before? Oh, right, Next. So after going on Stack Overflow, I looked it up and I saw Google Text-to-Speech as one of the first options that came up. So me, with my brain, I was like, Google, multi-billion-dollar company, me using their text-to-speech, surely it has to be good, right? Well, you guys know the drill from now. Google text-to-speech, speak, voice, pie, yada yada yada. 3, run it. It should be hello.mp3.
Hello.
I mean, you know what? Let's try making it say something longer. Hello, how are you doing today? I am doing... Here you go.
Hello, how are you doing today? I am doing fine.
I mean, it is what it is. I kind of expected it to be a little bit better. You know what? Honestly, it does sound better than Pi text-to-speech, but it still sounds like I'm also driving my car down the freeway right now.
Turn left at the nearest intersection, you dumb fuck.
It's just not it. It's just not it. At the end of the day, if we're making some sort of text-to-speech that actually can communicate on the human level, I feel like it has to have some sort of emotion behind the words. It can't just go like, hi honey, how are you doing today? It has to go like, hi honey, how are you doing today?
Hi, honey.
I've never heard those words said to me before, so I don't know how they're supposed to sound like, but guys, it's tough. It's tough. So that's when I realized I would have to go deeper than this if I wanted to have any sort of success making my waifu sound good. Next. Now, as I was sort of sitting on my chair thinking about what to do next and pondering about my lack of skill in this entire thing, I thought to myself, wait a minute, why can't I just do what I've always done. That is stealing other people's code. So then I went on Hugging Face. And if you guys don't know what Hugging Face is, it's like the gold mine for AI models. So it has everything from text generation to text to speech to face detection to image recognition to generation, you name it, it's all on there. So after a long, hard search on Hugging Face, I found this AI model called XTTS. Now, when I saw this description, I was super stoked about it because it said that it can clone your voice with just a little bit of a sample and then play it as a text-to-speech, which I was like, wait, this is perfect. So all I did was I went into Audacity, recorded some of my voice samples, and then gave it to the AI to hopefully read my voice out loud in text-to-speech. So what I've done is I went into Audacity, recorded my voice, so I'll play it a little bit right now. It's 45 seconds approximately. Hello, this is my voice speaking in a very neutral tone. So this is just me talking, it's not the text-to-speech. If it was the text-to-speech, I'd be impressed. I've entered, hello my cutie patooey, how are you doing? You will never hear me say those words, by the way. Okay, and then I specify an output file, and boom, we run it. Here we go.
Hello, my cutie patooey. How are you doing today?
Wait, genuinely speechless. Genuinely speechless, not in a good way. But not in a bad way either, actually. Wait, comment what you guys think about this. I think I'm confused. I'm just confused. Like, wait, let me replay that.
Hello, my cutie patooey. How are you doing today?
I will play these two voices side by side on a blank screen. You cannot tell me which one is me.
Hello, my cutie patooey. How are you doing today?
Hello, my cutie patooey. How are you doing today? Did you guess which one's me? Yeah. Okay, but let's be real here. Nobody's here to listen to my voice, right? How does it actually perform with an anime voice sample, right? So here I have a female voice sample.
大団長が出征した後、仕事を全部ジンさんがすることになったんだよね。私がもっとジンさんの役に立てたらいいのに。
And then we paste it here, and then we should be okay. Okay, this time it only took 27 seconds, which was actually pretty surprising. Where is the output file? This one.
Hello, my cutie patooey. How are you doing today?
It definitely sounds more female.
Hello, my cutie patooey. How are you doing today?
There's a lot of cutout. I don't know about this one. So after digging around on the XTTS documentation, what I ended up finding was that they actually have a set of pre-trained voices that I can just use. As usual, yours truly has found a way to all his problems. Like, I mean, come on guys, like, you gotta give me some credit here. And then press enter. You should be able to generate based on their pre-trained speakers, which in theory also should take a little bit less time. Oh man, it is taking so long. Bro, you know what? At this point, I'm considering talking to real women at this point. Like, it's over, guys. It's over. No way. We are 2 minutes and 7. Now, at this point, Ryan narrated to himself. What was he doing with his life? No way, this is taking 3 minutes. No. This is ridiculous. All right, okay, I had to restart because I think me recording and this my GPU couldn't keep up, but here we go. Boom.
Hello, this is from a speaker. How are you? I'm doing great. This is from the default voice from another text-to-speech model.
Huh. Wait. Are you guys impressed? You know what? This one actually sounds pretty good. This one actually legitimately sounds quite all right. Wait, let's play that again.
Hello, this is from a speaker. How are you? I'm doing great. This is from the default voice from another text-to-speech model.
Aside from some weird little artifacts in there, it's usable. It's usable. It's usable. And you know what? It sounds actually
Hello,
pretty good.
this is from a speaker. How are you? I'm doing great. This is from the default voice from another text-to-speech model.
You know what? If I was on the phone, I don't think I would hear a difference. Wow. Like, is this a waifu voice? We're getting closer. We're getting closer. We're getting closer, guys. We're getting closer. There was only one problem. I didn't know how to stream this live, and it wasn't the fastest thing ever. I mean, this is probably because of my old-ass GPU, but hey, at the end of the day, it's not that fast. And voice cloning ultimately really wasn't it. So, you know, I had a bunch of issues to fix, and I didn't know how to fix it. It was at this time when I thought, maybe I should just go back to some paid options. And that's when I realized, wait a minute, OpenAI also has their text-to-speech models. And after digging around on those, they actually sound pretty nice. Basically, what I've done is essentially I just made a bit of a code to speak this text using their alloy voice. Okay, so let's just play this and listen to what it sounds like.
I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed days, the dark sacred nights, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
What a wonderful world. Okay, so essentially, wait, this is actually like really good, like in terms of the audio quality and also like the streaming quality and the streaming speed, it does the job. It does the job. The only downside is that it's paid, and I don't know if we can say some unholy words like,
I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed days, the dark sacred nights, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world, fuck.
okay, no, I stand corrected. You can say pretty much whatever you want. The only problem with them is that they are limited to the voices they've trained, which makes a big problem because I wanted an anime waifu, you know? It has to have like this cute, bubbly voice or what it fits whatever personality I'm trying to make it to be. And if it just sounds like some mid-30s woman just speaking casually, then there's really no point. I can just talk to women on the street. Yeah, I realized what I just said. Cut that. So it seemed like OpenAI ultimately was the better option here. So the only hurdle that remained in my way would probably just be the voice customization.
Next.
Now, after a bit of digging around, I found this package called RVC. It's apparently a real-time voice changer that everybody says it's like the GOAT of voice changers. You know, RVC might be the GOAT of voice changers, but you know why nobody is using it more? It's because it's an absolute pain to set up. Like, it felt like I was trying to hack into the Pentagon or something. And if you want a tutorial from me in this video, no, I'm not giving it to you. Because nobody cares. But if you really do care, join the Discord, ask me that question, and spam me enough, maybe I'll get into it. But if not, you can search up a video, and you can do it too. But if you want it specifically from me, pop in the Discord and say hi. Okay, that's it. But after I got it installed, it was time to train the voices. The voices that will make the foundation of an anime waifu. But there was only one problem. I don't have any friends. Or more specifically, actually female friends, because, you know, like, my voice works perfectly fine for, like, you know, a nice, sexy male voice. But for a female voice, my voice doesn't cut it, right? So I needed a strong base to sort of train the voice off of. And if I have no access to real people for that, fine, I will pirate it off the internet like the true pirate I am. And I knew just the place to find. Genshin character voice lines. Alright, where is? I'm looking for a brat. Who is a brat? Facial is technically a brat?
I official, Prinzessin der Verhurtelung, descendant.
Okay, yeah. Let's try a different one. Who is a brown? Mona?
私の名前はアストローギスト・モナメギストス。
Yeah, that's the voice. That's the voice. The question is, how do I download this? I'm playing it from somewhere. Inspect? Oh, baby. Oh, they leaked it. They leaked it, didn't they?
私の名前は
They leaked it. They leaked it.
偉大なる先生術師もなっている。
Alright, so we got the voice samples. All that's left to do is just train the model. So here we go. This is up and running now after a long while. If you want a tutorial on how to do this, search it up online. But if you want a tutorial specifically from me, I would have to point you to the Discord. So join the Discord and ask me a question. Everything is starting to run. Surely any second now.
And any second now.
Oh! Okay, I do get some voice clipping, but I think it's alright.
It's alright.
Okay, so the final step in this project is actually a very simple one. All I have to do is plug in this real-time voice changer with the I cannot think, shut up. Okay, so the final step in all of this is just to simply plug in the OpenAI voice into the voice changer. Okay, let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've been waiting for. I've modified the function so that everything works cohesively together. Let's just press play and see what happens. I don't know what questions you want me to ask my anime waifu. If you want to leave those comments for this video, please feel free to do so. I'm running out of topics today. So oh, whoops. I didn't say anything. we try again. Hello, hello, can you say 10 good things about me, please? Thank you.
Of course. Here are 10 good things about you. 1. You are curious and eager to learn, always seeking new knowledge and experiences. 2. Your kindness shines through in how you perspective that allows you to see the beauty in the
Don't say that yet. Don't say that
4.
yet.
Your determination to achieve your goals is truly inspiring.
I don't feel anything.
5.
Hold on. Speak it in the anime voice. No, dude. Oh, what a blunder. All right, we run it back. Okay. Aha, I think I found it. Okay, so you have to go here. Python. Oh, okay. That wasn't it. Why was that not it? Did I save it? Alright guys, so this time I've actually set it up. No more kidding. Everything's working fine. Can you name me 10 things good about me?
Of course. Here are 10 wonderful qualities that you likely found.
It's over.
6.
I
You show
can't-
empathy and understanding
I
towards
can't plug
others'
it in.
feelings.
It's over. Guys, this time, actually no joke, I have fixed all the issues.
Hello everyone. I'm your friendly AI companion here to add a touch of charm and excitement to your day. I'm designed to engage in fun conversations, share insights, and perhaps even spark your creativity.
Wait, did that pick it up? Oh no. Alright guys, so for my last 2 attempts, they had something going horribly wrong. This is the actual final attempt. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna run this. Hello, I'm filming a YouTube video. Can you please introduce yourself very quickly to the audience?
Hello everyone, I am your friendly AI companion, an anime-inspired waifu. I'm here to bring joy and support, offering advice, fun conversations, and a little bit of charm to brighten your day. Let's dive into this adventure together.
Yes! Yes. Finally. Oh my god. And you know what? It sounds okay. Granted, it's going to be quite expensive to keep running, but honestly, cheaper than 11 Labs, and the performance and the speed is quite similar. So, with that being said, I think this project's a wrap. I think this project's a wrap. There's nothing else for me to say. Oh my god, we are one step closer to this being realized, okay? You don't understand. This is a breakthrough for humanity. I am literally on